Hi everybody, it's Andrew from Honeycart, and in this video, I'll show you our new portions report feature. So this feature is going to help you prep and fulfill orders faster by letting you know the exact portions needed for each order on any given date. So the way it works is, as customers place their orders, portions data from your menu is going to be used to create a report and individual packing list for each order so that you don't have to do manual calculations or create spreadsheets. Go here on your orders page, go to export and choose portions report. So it's going to open this little pop-up that'll let you set the order dates that you want to export. For me, I want to see my Thanksgiving orders, so I chose November 25th. And you're going to see down at the bottom, there's several different columns that you can export into this downloaded report. And for me, I wanted to do it so that I can see not only the total portions and the quantity that was ordered, meaning like if I was ordering 7 Thanksgiving dinners, not only do I want to see how many portions of mashed potatoes that got ordered, but I want to see like that I ordered, say, 10 of them, right? You can do that, and then you can, of course, you can total up all the orders for every customer. So just click on export and click on the download, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to see all the menu items here, and if you have options, it's going to be listed underneath the main menu item like that. Here you'll see I have some items here that don't have options, like my cornbread stuffing. It's 16 ounces per serving. And for example, now you see the customers listed out as columns right here. Bill Gates, he wanted 3 servings of the cornbread stuffing, so we need to pack 48 ounces for him, or prep 48 ounces. And it's all pretty self-explanatory. The same information is broken down at the option level. For example, Bill is going to need 20 ounces of homemade thick gravy, and in total for both of my orders for this date, I'm going to need about 40 ounces of that gravy. So that's all pretty self-explanatory. The next thing I want to do is show you the packing list for each order. 1 second. So I'm just back here on this order screen, and I can choose Bill's order and go to download and download packing list, and just double click on this. You're going to see here basically the same information, just broken down just for this order number, whatever number he was, number 108. You can see the amounts per serving and multiplied by how much servings he ordered and the total that you're going to need to pack into his order when it's ready to get shipped out. So next thing I want to do is show you how you can actually enter in this portion data pretty easily into your menu. And to do that, go back to your account and click on the menus. I have my Thanksgiving menu here. On the categories, click on complete dinner. Like for me, that's how I set it up. And here's my menu item, my complete Thanksgiving dinner. So here I have all these options set up. You'll see here, for example, the entree I let them choose turkey or ham, right? And if you scroll down, you'll see a new section in your account called portions, right? Now, you don't have to use this if you don't want. By default, if you haven't entered in any portion information, it'll be turned off like this. But to start entering in that data, just flip that switch. Here, I already pre-filled all the information. And let's say for the sweet potato carrot soup, if you needed to change this to a quart, you can do that. Pretty much whatever you want. Maybe it's 1 ounce, that'd be silly. Maybe it's a fluid ounce. Maybe it's a gallon. So whatever you want to do here, you can do that. And if you needed to enter in a custom thing, like maybe I want to use PT instead of the full word pint, you can do that. From here, you just click save, and boom, the next time someone orders, you're going to see all that portion data filled out for them in the reports and in the packing list that I just showed you. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please let us know at info@gethoneycart.com. Thanks.